Hello fellow sharks, this is Jeremy Greats. I thought I would come to you guys with a video to make it a little simpler to understand what I was trying to say about downloading the plugin. When you download the plugin with the direct download link from the download resource, what it's doing is it's making a zip over a zip. So let me show you exactly what I mean. If I double click this, you'll see that there's a zip file inside that's called Local Fee Finder. So what we're going to do is the Local Fee Finder plugin, we're going to right click on that and extract all. Then you just extract it, and if you double click in that directory, you'll see Local Fee Finder.zip under the Local Fee Finder plugin directory it made, because that was the name of the zip file originally. So now all we're going to do is go to the website, and you'll just go to Add New, upload your plugin, browse. In my case, I believe I had that in the download directory. So we'll go to the Local Fee Finder plugin directory that it made that has the Local Fee Finder.zip in it. Double click and install. Activate the plugin. And there you go. It's all activated and working with no problems. Hopefully this video has helped somebody out there to be able to install it, and you all have a great evening.